Welcome to Berwick's U3A Tweed and Coast Nature Trail. With 14 information boards covering at least 10 different habitats, there's something for everyone. Photographers, geologists, historians, walkers, and of course, nature lovers. We believe our trail is unique, as the blue butterfly-shaped boards are changed with the seasons, so you can revisit them 4 times every year. First on our route, you'll find the sculpture trail, here in Coronation Park. There are 8 wonderful sculptures inspired by local wildlife and designed by school children from 8 local schools. And this magnificent barley. The sculptures were brought to life by sculptor David Gross and installed by Friends of the Castle Parks in 2018. Most of the trail is easy access and dog friendly, and it takes around 2 hours to complete. But why not take a short detour around the world famous walled town and sample some of the various cafes, pubs and restaurants. Or take a break at one of the picnic benches over the river in Tweedmouth and Spittal.
See our website for full information and exploring for children, with 4 seasonal quizzes to download and a certificate on completion.
There's also a children's play park and amusements at Spittal Beach, near the end of the route, and several access points to the trail along bus routes. From the 17th century old bridge, you'll see a range of bird life, including herons and swans. And if you're lucky, perhaps a seal or even an otter. Look out for the mute swans, the UK's largest bird, weighing in at 10 kilograms. We've got the 2nd biggest molting herd in Britain. You'll learn not just about our animals and plants, but also the weather, the tides, and man's impact on our natural environment.
Litter has life-threatening consequences for wildlife. Please leave only your footprints.
Beautiful all year round, whatever the weather. This is a place where you'll often see bottlenose dolphins swimming out to sea or jumping. So ensure you bring a camera or some binoculars.
The North Northumberland cliff line exposes Carboniferous rocks which are about 340 million years old. You can see sandstones, siltstones and mudstones and limestones and even some seams of coal in the cliffs. The beds of yellow sandstone that you can see at the top of the beach are well known for their wavy bands of different colours and are a photographer's dream. This tunnel is an adit and it drains the interconnected mines underneath Scremiston village a few miles inland. The water is an orange colour because it flows through shales close to the coal seams and picks up the iron.
This takes us to the final board on the nature trail. But if you're still feeling energetic, why not continue along the dramatic cliff path to Cockleburn Beach?